What's up, family? This is your boy Ivan Hall, the Credit King. Did you know that credit unions can assist you in rebuilding your credit? The most crucial aspect of credit repair is acquiring new credit. A credit union is a good location to apply for credit. People helping people is the credit union philosophy. They are dedicated to their communities, providing financial services to customers while also enhancing the quality of life for local residents. A credit union is similar to a bank in that it offers the same services as a bank, such as checking, savings, mortgage lending, auto loans, and business loans. The fact that credit unions are member-owned rather than for-profit entities are one differentiating feature. That implies they don't have to account for a group of shareholders, hence they don't distribute profits to shareholders. Credit unions, on the other hand, return their profits to their members in the form of cheaper costs and improved service. The National Credit Union Administration is in charge of charting and supervising federal credit unions, NCUA. The National Credit Union Share Insurance Fund, NCUSF, a federal fund backed by the United States government, ensures savings in federal and most state-chartered credit unions through this federal organization. Some credit unions' money is privately insured. Credit unions are a fantastic alternative for persons who are developing credit for the first time or attempting to rebuild credit. They tend to have more forgiving credit standards on vehicle loans, credit cards, and second mortgages because they are member-owned. Most people, on the other hand, have no idea which credit unions they are eligible to join or what the benefits and drawbacks of doing so are. Your local credit union may be able to assist you to get a small business loan. Some credit unions have formed a partnership with the Small Business Administration, SBA, to help credit-worthy small companies get loans faster. Credit unions offer back to the community in a variety of ways. Finally, while credit unions are expanding their global reach, they remain highly regional. That implies they are managed and controlled by members of the community, which is a bonus for many individuals. For a long time, credit unions did not have many ATM facilities, which was a huge disadvantage for many people. Credit unions, on the other hand, have progressively developed good ATM networks through partnerships, where you may receive your money for free as long as you utilize the network or criteria that they've put up for you. It's difficult to think of a substantial disadvantage to banking with a credit union unless you just appreciate the concept of banking with a large bank and the convenience of having many locations that you can walk into. There are a few more credit union finder tools that may be useful in selecting which credit unions are best for you. Administration of Credit Unions, NCUA. Look for a credit union. Access to credit unions. Credit unions are required by government regulators to limit their membership to specific parts of the public that have a common bond, such as employer or someone in your workplace, geographic area, school, place of worship, membership in an organization. There is a credit union for everyone. Some of us may have to be creative in order to stretch the definition of membership, but it is possible. In addition to the suggestions in the above paragraph, here are some more suggestions for finding a credit union that you could be eligible for. Your business may sponsor a credit union or provide access to a credit union to a select employee group, SEG. Inquire at your school, your child's school, and your place of worship. Inquire among your family. If your company does not sponsor a credit union, it is possible that your spouse's or another family member's company does. Family members are welcome to join many credit unions. Look through the yellow pages. A list of credit unions in your area may be found here. Make a phone call to them. Think about civic and social organizations. Credit union membership is available to members of many clubs and organizations. Homeowners associations, scouting groups, and other organizations fall under this category. Check with your neighbors. Some credit unions have a community field of membership, which serves a geographically defined territory rather than one specified by work or another affiliation. Ask around to see if anyone knows of a credit union you may join. You are the civil service or contract employee or retiree, or you are active duty military, retired, or a military dependent. So, with all of these benefits, what are you waiting for to join a credit union? Look for a credit union in your area and see what they have to offer. It's simpler to rebuild your credit and establish new credit with a credit union, so get started developing your credit history now. And go get that money.